everyone, this is Emily Leiphart here for Tailored Expressions, and in today's video I'm sharing a set of 6 cards using products from the Friendly Filigree Cardmaking Kit. My cards include a choose your own sentiments option so the giver can customize each of the cards. Let's have a look at all of the kit ingredients. The first item is the stunning Friendly Filigree background stamp. I won't be using this since my video teammate Joy Baldwin will be sharing stamped versions of this kit. The Friendly Filigree frame die is sized to fit the center of the background stamp, as well as cut out the sentiments, and there's an option to use this for layering with the belly band I'll talk about in a bit. The sentiment set is called All Together Occasions, and this is a single stamp set featuring 8 connected sentiments for various occasions. This is the second of this style released by Tailored Expressions, and I absolutely love how the coordinating die cuts all of the sentiments in one pass. It's quick, easy, and I wish all sentiment sets had dies like this. As always, there are 6 envelopes and 6 envelope seals. All of these envelopes are in the toffee color, and there are 2 seals each of Tropical Punch, Blue Corn, and Mulled Wine. Also included is a clear card box for creating a gift set. Additional boxes are available for purchase. Now I'll show you add-on products that coordinate with this kit and will be available for purchase separately. In the Foil-It Friendly Filigree pack, you'll get a total of 12 panels, 4 each of the Friendly Filigree background, printed on Tropical Punch, Blue Corn, and Mulled Wine. When you foil on these darker colors, the result is spectacular, and I love both gold and silver options, which I'll show you in a bit. In the Foil-It All Together Occasions pack, you'll get 6 panels of the All Together sentiments that can be foiled and die cut with the coordinating dies. There are also 6 panels with sentiments that can be foiled and die cut using the Friendly Filigree frame die. Lastly, there's the Gift It belly band, which has an intricate debossed band that coordinates with the Friendly Filigree background stamp. You can also use the Friendly Filigree frame die as a layering piece or to make a mini shaker right on the belly band. I'm going to start by turning on the Mini Mink foil applicator. I turn it on and press the button 4 times to select the number 4 heat setting for heavyweight cardstock. I wait till the indicator light turns green and then I can start foiling. My first pass will be a panel of Foil-It Friendly Filigree in Tropical Punch with gold deco foil. This is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Next, I will use another Tropical Punch panel with silver deco foil. I thought the gold was stunning, but the silver is really spectacular, isn't it? Which one do you prefer? Let's see how both the gold and silver look on the other 2 colors. I'll foil the Mulled Wine with gold first, then silver. These come out perfect every time and I'm so impressed. Are you Team Gold or Team Silver? Now check out how the gold and silver transfer foils look on Blue Corn. Both are amazing and I agree, it's very hard to choose. Next, I'll show you how the Foil-It All Together Occasions look with both gold and silver transfer foils. The first gold panel is the only panel that had a few thickened lines, but all I had to do was rub my fingers over it lightly and the extra foil cleared itself. The silver version came out clear as a whistle. I'll quickly foil the other sentiments with both gold and silver deco foil. Here's a look at all 6 of the Foil-It Friendly Filigree panels. I just love all the shine. Since gold and silver are a personal preference, I wanted to create this gift set with a choice of both. Let's group all the gold panels together and all the silver panels together. This way you can see how they all look together with the matching sentiments too. Next, I'll die cut all of the sentiments with their respective dies. Aren't they cute? I especially love these All Together Occasions sentiments. My favorite sentiments are the ones that cut intricately around the letters, and I really love the foiled versions. I love that there's no mess and no fuss with embossing powders and imperfect stamping. It's definitely rare that I create cards with no stamping, but I'm loving the ease of these foil-it products. What I'm going to do is create one set of cards using the altogether sentiments and the other set using these frame sentiments so that the giver not only has color options but also style options. If you're making these cards for yourself and customizing them, you're most welcome to pop up these panels on foam tape, but I find that most gifts should be relatively flat for easy mailing. To give these label options more sturdiness, I'm going to stack them with liquid glue. That way there's less possibility of them being bent, and when attached to the cards themselves they'll have a teeny bit of dimension, and that increases the elegance factor. Next, I'll add double-sided tape to the backs of these labels. That way the giver can just remove the release paper and attach any one of these sentiments to one of the foiled panels. For the gold set of cards, I wanted a different look, so I used the Friendly Filigree frame die to remove the centers, exposing the toffee card bases. I originally had these on rose water card bases, but swapped them out for a cozier feel with the gold foil. I also decided to add gold foil shadows behind these sentiments. I used liquid glue to hold the layers together and allowed them to dry under an acrylic block. Here's how they look individually and on their respective card bases. I love the triple dose of gold. So pretty, aren't they? Next, I'll attach strips of 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch tape on the backs of these sentiments and leave the release paper in place. I've die cut the gifted belly band from toffee cardstock, and you can see the intricate debossed filigree pattern. Now I'm going to pop up the box into its 3D form. I'm going to stack the envelopes and the envelope seals on the bottom of the stack, then place the cards and their respective sentiments. Since I want the top flap to be at the back of the box, I flip it around and slide the stack of goodies inside. If your cards are more layered with dimension, then 4 cards will fit nicely in these clear boxes. Here's how the belly band looks around the box. Another idea is to use one of the foiled sentiments. You can also go one step further and place the altogether occasion sentiment on top for even more dimension. To create the belly band, simply fold along the embossed creases and use double-sided tape or liquid glue to attach the two halves. Now your band is ready to be decorated. I'm winding burlap twine 3 times around the belly band, then tying a bow at the top of the Friendly Filigree frame. To hold this in place, I'm going to add foam tape to the back of one of the gold foiled sentiments, and now my entire gift set is done. Let's unpack the box and have a look at what the recipient will receive in this gorgeous gift set. They'll receive 3 gold foiled cards on toffee with 8 different sentiments to choose from. Then they'll receive 3 silver foiled cards on sugar cube with 4 framed sentiments to choose from. They'll also receive 6 envelopes and 6 envelope seals. I can't imagine anyone not loving such a set, especially with the holidays coming up. This is an elegant set of cards that can be used year-round, and there's nothing better than that. I look forward to seeing what you create with the Friendly Filigree card making kit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed for more inspiration. You can find all of these products in the Tailored Expressions web store at tailoredexpressions.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.